How's it going? This is Levi from Bayfoils. In today's video, we're going to go over opening up your controller and replacing or cleaning the trigger. Now, sometimes the triggers, due to salt water or sand, they can get stuck and or damaged and need replacing. This is a super easy thing for you to DIY at home. All you need is a 1.5mm Allen wrench. The first thing you're going to want to do is locate the 3 screws on the underside of the controller and take them out. Make sure you have somewhere safe to put the screws so you don't lose them. Sometimes they're a little salty and can take a little bit of elbow grease to get them out. You can use some WD-40 to get them unstuck as well. Once you have all 3 screws out, push forward on the bottom plate of the controller to separate it from the top plate. You'll notice the controller just comes right apart. You'll notice right away if you have a lot of sand in there. The other reason your trigger might be getting stuck is because of oxidization from the little magnet inside. You can see here in this image, if that magnet expands, it can cause the trigger to get stuck just from friction. To avoid that, make sure you rinse your trigger really well with fresh water after each use. This trigger was totally fine, so I'm just going to wipe it down a little bit and put it back in. Put it in, make sure the plastic part is facing outwards so you can see that spring slides against that flat portion, and you're good to go. Put the 2 pieces of the controller back together, put in the screws, and you're pretty much done. Lastly, anytime you mess with the trigger, you're going to want to power the controller on and perform a trigger calibration. To do this, press the mode button and the minus button for 3 seconds and follow the on-screen prompts. Hope you learned something today. Again, this is a pretty easy thing to DIY. If this doesn't fix your controller issues, please reach out to an authorized flight partner or Fliteboard directly. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.